Okay, so as you guys can see, the frame rails are straight, both of them, as soon as I remove the core support. So it looks a lot better now. I gotta fix this tip right here. One of the sides is bent in, but that's about it. That is repairable. That's what I'm gonna do. The cradle, as you can see, is nice and straight, but I do have to change the engine mount, the engine support. I don't know if it was caused by the accident or just because of wear and tear and the age, so I will swap that out. So this is the teardown of the project Acura TSX. As you guys can see, it looks pretty crazy. But it is a project car, so I did order the core support, the fender. I ordered the hinges online. I ordered the hood. So I'm waiting for some parts online to arrive. The headlamps, the fog lamp, a lot of things that were a lot cheaper online. I do have to clean up the old spot welds on the frame. So once I get all those parts, the next thing to do will be install them so I could square the front, make sure it lines up. The hood gaps, the fender gaps are perfect. That way I could be able to weld on the new core support. And after I get that done, it's ready for paint. So guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your family and friends, and feel free to click on these videos on the screen. And I will see you guys for the next video.